made it. I guess I didn't give him enough water.
too.
I
I-
see exactly what you know what?
When I put it in there, it was really tight.
This breeze better than yesterday.
Same.
So,
I mean, mine got,
Bob put a
because
new
there's a
one.
water string, but that's not going to affect it at all.
you didn't wad it up as tight, did you? Or the parachute.
supposed to
Okay.
launch it.
I guess they must have like that through
Yeah.
the parachute because a lot of them's not deploying.
Yeah, that.
Best time for visibility, but the worst
Masking
time
back
for
there.
this is the hottest one. Are you videoing that?
Yeah. You give me a 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
say,
Good job, Tori.
You know,
job.
I thought.
Yeah, just like 5 minutes from here. 5-10 minutes.
I'm,
So in the space of firing this rocket and recovering would be about.
We get to go in the gym.
Yeah. Imagine how much fun it would be to launch one of these downwind. I shoot it through the
What
gym.
are those? No idea. Good? Yes.
No idea what
Happy,
that
let's
is.
try it.
Now do a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
10, 9.
Nice. Good job, Tristan.
10.
That was pretty. Right.